Callie with Jemminz. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. All right, so we are getting ready to open up the last of the batch of pearls. Now, these were the bonus pearls that I got with my order. Now, when I put my original order into this company, it got lost, or actually it got damaged at customs. And so the package went back to them, and we've been waiting. I think I waited like 2 months for it when it should have been here within a couple of days. And so they sent me the bonus pearls, and these are the bonus pearls. And there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to open up 8 pearls that are bonus pearls, and we're going to add these into the mix. I thought about keeping them for myself, but then I said, nah, I want to share them with my customers. So these will be added into our pearl bag, and they will be randomly picked out and put into your bath bombs. Somebody asked me if I could, at one of my shows, if I could put them in shower steamers. No, I cannot. The reason for that is the little baggies will not fit. I did try. This is the little baggie that we put the pearls into, and this is what they look like when they're in the bag. I'll just pull one out. This is what they look like, and they don't fit very well, and the bath bombs crack. So I gave up even trying to do that. So we're not going to do that today. So we're going to open up these 8 pearls, and we're going to see what's in there. And then my saltwater pearls are almost here. I got notice that they're going to be delivered here in the next couple days. So we're going to open those up at some point here in the next couple weeks. So there you go. Let me turn this down. I've been prepping pearls all day today, so we're good to go. All right, so let's open these pearls up and see what's inside. This is the last 8 of our pack that we ordered. And I'm super excited to see what my bonus pearls are. And oh wow, look at that. You can see that in there. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so let's get this washed up. And if you come to the fair, or not the fair, if you come out to the farmer's market, I will have, put my glasses on here, I will have these pearls shells available, and you can pick them up if you want to. I may send them with you guys in your orders. Okay, on the long side, they're 10.11. This is a really pretty one, and Raven's going to interrupt my video and cry for a little bit. I'm just going to let him go. And 7.90 on the short side. So you get an idea of what these pearls are like. So there's number 1. I'm just going to let him go because he'll settle down here in a minute. Just like that. He always does. He was one of our good mousers here on the farm, and he's an absolutely beautiful cat, and I just love him. Yep, there's one there. That one is so pretty. I love that one. It's iridescent pink. When these dry, they really come out. This one's almost round. Not quite. Okay, so 9.04 on this one. Okay. Yeah, let's open up another one. Oh, and there's that pearl. Is there any more in there? Nope. No more. And just so you guys know, when I'm cleaning these oyster shells up, if I do find extra pearls, I do add them in there. I haven't so far. Been looking pretty good, so that's good. Okay, that's a nice, pretty egg shape. Now, when I ordered these, they did not indicate that these were going to be egg shaped, so I didn't know what they were going to look like. That's a pretty big one, 10.32 on that one. Oops, put that on the side so you can see it. And these little ones, I love these little ones. These are fun. So, you never know what you're going to get. Oh, wow. There's a really pretty yellow one. That one is really yellow. Anything in that one? Check it before I throw it in there. Yeah, there's something in there. Yeah, that one's really pretty. That's kind of an iridescent yellow. I'm seeing some, oh gosh, this is kind of like a tropical orange yellow. That one is 9.51. Let's put it next to the sand. Now the sand is it's kind of an ivory color, so that one's really pretty. It's very unique. All right, so let's open this up. And as that dries, you'll see it pink up or brighten up. I don't put them in the bags right away. I leave them out to dry. There's another one. Wow. Okay, anything in the meat? Nope, just a big, huge mussel. Yes, Raven, what's up? Yeah? Okay. Can you go lay down for a little while? I'm gonna go find a spot to lay down in here. Okay. No. All right, so there you go. There's another one. You can't see Raven. He's a pure black cat we have. He's one of our best mousers on here. And he is one awesome cat. He was a rescue. A friend of mine brought over these baby kittens, and we decided to keep 2 of them. Yeah, because we needed mousers anyway. So it was perfect timing. And he has been one of our best pals. He's like, comes up and sleeps with me at night sometimes, but he's mostly at night mousing. Okay, there's a little one and another one in there. Yes, Raven, I hear you. Yeah, okay. You just walked out the door. He gets really verbal, I'm sorry. He's one of our best kitties. Okay, 9.68 on that one. So there we go. And boy, it does not want to open. Oh, there it goes. All right. So, boy, that one was really hard to open. It did not want to open for me. So let me check. Yeah, there's nothing in here. Okay, there's that really pretty pearl. Let's get a color on that, size on that one. 10.89 on the long side. Okay, and let's open up our last pearl of the day. And like I said, every time you order a bath bomb from me, you will be getting a pearl in it from now on. I will make sure that the pearls that I have, or the ones that I have left over, bath bombs, will go to my shows that I do, and they'll sell them there. All right. All right, so clean that knife off really quick, and then I'll flip this over and we'll clean that last little pearl up, and then I'll show you. We got some really unique colors here. Really pretty. Okay, and there's the last one. Its size is 10.68. There you go. All right. I'll put that in there. It's kind of a, I don't know, kind of a pearlish blue. It's a really nice color. I'll clean these off a little better for you guys. See, that one's kind of, they've all got this really pretty different sheen on them. This is a different set. So there's those pearls are going to go in the mix of what we have here. We'll let them dry out a little bit, and then we'll put them in the little baggies, and we'll add them to our bag mix here. We have about 100 plus pearls available right now. So go out there, order those bath bombs. We'll get some more made here, and we'll have some fun. So there you have it, you guys. When you order your bath bombs from now on, you will receive a little wish pearl in there. I will try and see, try and get some more into for you guys, different colors, different shapes, different sizes. We do have the saltwater pearls that should be here any day now. I'm hoping. They said they'd be here, so we'll check that out and see if they are. And I'm super excited for that, and I hope you guys like what we're doing here. If you have any suggestions or any products that you see that it's not on the website that you would like to see, then please let me know. We have some brand new soaps coming out. We have essential oil products coming out. I have found some honey at my local market, so we're bringing the honey soaps out. Honeybee, I have a really special little, I'm going to do a special one on that one. I have a honeybee mold that's going to be really cute, so those will be coming out. And then the kids' soaps will be also finally coming back out again. I will have some special ones for them. And we will be continuing on with the fragrance oils for those too. And we'll have essential oils also. So I can hear my cat just going off. He's like, let me out, Mom. I want to go play. So I'm going to go let him out, and I'm going to let you all have a good day. So thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button, and don't forget to share my videos and pass on along that we have pearl bath bombs in our shop now. So thanks everybody for joining me. I truly appreciate all of you. Have a great day. Bye.